Hello and welcome back to our data structures and algorithm series. In this video, we look at the dictionary data structure. Now in Python, the dictionary data structure is one of the 4 built-in data types that is used to store data in key value pairs. Just like in an English dictionary, you have a key, which is the term you want to define, then followed by the value or the description of that particular time. Now, just like in a dictionary where the data is organized alphabetically, here in Python, a dictionary has a key, and that key is used to ensure fast lookup, actually with an O of 1 operation, because each key is hashed, and therefore we can be able to get to it directly. So that is what a dictionary is. Now, a dictionary has the following properties. One of them is that it's ordered. Now, this was not so in earlier versions of Python, but from Python 3.7 onwards, dictionaries are ordered. You can change the value of a data in a dictionary, and it does not allow any duplicates. Okay, so let's begin by creating a dictionary. So I just want to call it Big Five, because I want to create a dictionary for the Big Five. Particularly, I want to use the name of the animal in English and the name of the animal in Kiswahili. So lion is Simba. Then we want to have elephant. Elephant is called Tembo or Ndovu. I'll go with Ndovu for now. Then you have rhino. So rhino is Kifaru. Comma. Then we have buffalo. So buffalo is Nyati. And lastly, so comma, we have leopard. So this is Chewy. Okay, so that's how we define a dictionary. So we come here and print. Okay, sorry, my mouse is hanging a bit. Okay, so you can do print Big Five like that. If we run this code, okay, so yes, so we do have it. So just to explain again, key value pairs separated by commas. So this is a key. Lion is the key. The value is Simba. They are separated by a full colon. Then for the next key value pair, separated by a comma. Then we use the curly brackets for this. You can also organize this. Some people love to organize dictionaries like this. So the white spaces don't matter. So you can also declare your dictionary like this. You can put that, for example, down there. Okay. So if you do that, still one and the same thing. So let's see. Oh, of course, by printing this, you've seen that it's ordered. So we can print and print and print, and the order is going to remain as it is. So lion is going to be the first one, as you can see here, then elephant, then rhino, then buffalo, then leopard. Okay. So if you wanted to access a single value, you would use the key. So for example, you'll do print, then big 5, then square brackets, then the key. So for example, leopard, like that. So if we run this, we should be able to get the Swahili name for leopard, which is chui. So we can change the value. Let's, for example, use the elephant, which has another name. So elephant. So we can copy this. So how to change the value? Again, you refer to the key, then you use the assignment operator, then you give it the other name. So other than Ndovu, it's also called Tembo. Tembo. So you can duplicate this line here. And if we run our code now, we should get that initially we had called the value for the elephant was Ndovu, and now it's Tembo. So indeed, you can be able to change the values. You can be able to change the values of you can be able to change the values of a particular element using the key. Okay, so no duplicates are allowed in a dictionary. If you do a duplicate, what happens? So maybe we can try it out. So let me just copy this. Okay. I'm trying to think of a good example. Okay, so if we do a duplicate, for example, the buffalo is also called Mbogo. So if we do a duplicate at any point, so for example, we just copy this, do a comma there, paste it, then we do Mbogo. Mbogo. So it's either Nyati or Mbogo. So if we do this, the second value is going to overwrite the first value. So if we print our if we print a big 5, we should see that now the buffalo value is actually Mbogo, and not the initial value, which was Nyati. So if you do any duplicate value, the latest value is going to overwrite the previous value. So you can't really do duplicates inside a dictionary. Values can be of any type. For example, here, instead of doing that, we can type a number or even a Boolean value like true. So if we print this, you can see that indeed down here, the value of buffalo is actually true. So those are the important properties of a dictionary, and a dictionary is really used because of its efficiency in terms of accessing values in it, and one operation for accessing values. So it's important that you understand all the functions of the dictionary. So that's my challenge to you. Please go on and implement implement all the functions of the dictionary. Just play around with them and understand it inside out. So thank you so much for sticking to the end. In the next video, we are starting an exciting journey into the list data structure. A bit challenging, but a lot of fun. So see you then. Bye for now.